In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Wix domain to cPanel hosting. This process might seem a bit technical at first glance, but I'll walk you through it step by step to make everything crystal clear. Whether you're moving your website from Wix to another host or just want to take advantage of cPanel's features, these instructions should help you get everything set up smoothly. First things first, you'll need to add your domain to your Wix account. Log into Wix, navigate to your dashboard, and ensure that your domain is correctly registered under your account. If it's your first time doing this, take a moment to double check that all your domain details are accurate. Ensuring this information is correct from the outset will help avoid headaches down the line. Getting your domain set up properly in Wix is the foundational step that makes the rest of the process possible. Next, you're going to need your hosting's IP address and Wix's CNAME record. This is where you start bridging your Wix domain with the hosting. Head over to your cPanel account. Inside your cPanel, locate the area where your domain's hosting information is displayed. It's vital to note down your hosting's IP address and the CNAME that Wix provides. The IP address is essentially the numeric version of your website's address, and the CNAME is a type of DNS record that helps to point your domain to the correct server. Jot these details down because we'll use them shortly. With these details in hand, let's move on to editing the DNS records in your cPanel. This part is crucial for connecting everything together. In your cPanel, go to the Zone Editor or DNS Zone Editor. Here, you'll add the IP address and the CNAME you noted earlier. First, find the existing records related to the www or the domain name and update them with your hosting's IP address. Likewise, do the same for the CNAME record. During this stage, take your time to meticulously input the data, as any errors here could prevent your domain from linking correctly. If you're ever unsure, make sure to look out for confirmation messages or notifications within the cPanel that confirm your updates have been saved. Finally, after setting up all these records, it's time to wait for DNS propagation. This step involves waiting for the updated DNS information to spread across the internet. This process can take anywhere from a few hours to up to 48 hours. It requires a bit of patience, but it's important to give the DNS records time to update. During this waiting period, resist the urge to make any additional changes unless absolutely necessary, as further edits can prolong the process. And there you have it. By following these steps, your Wix domain is now seamlessly connected to your cPanel hosting. Remember that each of these steps is crucial, and skipping any part might lead to unwanted issues. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Happy hosting!